honey. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell. Today, guys, I'm going to be trying out some new products and I'm so excited about. Right now, I am adding the Aussie Moist conditioner to my hair. As you guys know, I really love this Aussie Moist conditioner because it does have a lot of slip. Now, the key to detangling your hair the easy way is adding products that give your hair lots and lots of slip. Next, I am going to be trying out this deep conditioner by Camille Rose. It is the Fresh Honey Nectar Deep Conditioning Treatment. So it smells really good. It's not thick. I usually like thick, deep conditioners. I don't like the pump. The product has a lot of slip, so it's easy for me to detangle if I needed to. Alright guys, I just rinsed that deep conditioner out. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go. I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Curl Activator. Ooh, it's thick. And you know, I love me a thick product. Ooh, and it smells amazing. I think all of the Creme of Nature products smell amazing. I like this. My hair feels really nice and moisturized. So my hair feels really nice and moisturized. I like it. I'm not sure what's gonna happen though, but I will be back once my hair is all dried. Alright guys, my hair is all dried and I really love the way my hair turned out. My hair is really nice and moisturized. My curls are defined. My hair has some really nice volume and my hair has some really nice definition. So there was so much stuff happening at my house. Could not finish my video the way I wanted to. But anyways, you guys kind of got the idea. I love the way my hair turned out. I liked how moisturized my hair was. Has anybody tried out this Creme of Nature Curl Activator? Did you like it or did you not like it? Comment down below, let me know. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you want to be, make sure you hit the subscription button down below, guys. And turn on your post notifications so you will always be notified when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate all of you guys that show me support. Thank you. Always remember, guys, to smile, stay positive, and spread that positive vibe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.